All right, how about a review of Save Club? Today is Friday as I produce this video. A lot of people just search around YouTube to see if there's scam videos or just some type of review about Save Club. I've been in about a month now. Okay, I'm just going to say 1 month. I think I've been in like 28 days or something, but let's just round it off, all right? And all I can do is share my screen and tell you about some of the deals that I've been able to take advantage of just as a Save Club member. Okay, and then we'll talk about being an affiliate for those three $20 bills. Look what I did. Look, they even look real, don't they? Okay, they are. Wouldn't it be nice if you could just print these, though? Like you just kind of go hit print on your computer, and all of a sudden just thousands of these $20 bills would just pop into your life. Well, maybe we could work on that a little bit. Maybe we can get some 20s coming at you, okay? Anyway, here's my screen, folks. Here's the two links that I promote. I love saveclub.com. And let me just show you, okay? I think it's just easier if I just show you what I've been doing to get in the top 10 on the leaderboard and to average about $1,000 a week on income. And on top of that, also saving over $700 just on some stuff that I needed to buy. And I've got another $200 or $300 savings coming up because I have to buy 6 tires for one of my Chevy trucks. So then we're going to talk about the funnel system. So if you have a handful of minutes, I want to show you this exact step. Okay, here we go. I love saveclub.com. If you join my group, which I sure hope you do, I want you to get some business cards. That way, if you have some in your wallet, in your car, your purse, or your back pocket, you're never forced to talk about Save Club other than maybe a minute going, hey, you know, it's kind of cool. You'll save money probably on things you're already buying. You know, give it a shot. And here's my business card. In my case, I love saveclub.com. I get them at Vistaprint for $22 to my door. And I always put my email, Cory at CoryDraper.com. That's all I do. Red card, little sports car. I love Save Club. I did the little I with the big L, the big S, the big C. That way from far away, you can kind of see I love saveclub.com. And I use the little I kind of like the iPhone in iTunes. So that's what I've done just to talk about Save Club as little as possible on a street level. Because I like to pass the buck to this page right here. This YouTube video, it's by our founder. He's going to chat with you for about 6 minutes. Okay, this is Charles Moy, and he does a good job talking about everything that I think you need to know to make a decision if you want to be a member for $19.97, or do you want to be an affiliate with those three $20 bills? Okay, let's get 3 of them up. Look at that. Oh my gosh. You got 3 of these things. All right, kid. Boy, you can be an affiliate if you do. People like to fill in their information here because if you want to join, you're going to get a Save Club email by clicking this orange button. Open it up, and I'll show you the back office real quick. But this is the way that I've been really successful. I love saveclub.com. Go to this page, watch the video, and boom, go ahead and fill this information in. Now, this is important. If you're going to be an affiliate, you're going to get an email once a day for 30 days, with or without, you being an affiliate. But if you're going to be, save every one of these emails because you can reuse them and you can learn a lot from them because people will email you. People will inbox you on Facebook if you want. I love it when people email me. I love when people ask me about Save Club inbox on Facebook. You're not bugging me, guys. It means you want to earn some money. And if I can help you make money, well, gosh almighty, I can make $20 bills too. Let's help each other, okay? But save the emails. Please don't get rid of them. Now, when you have statistics page, it's nice just to see, okay, looks like I had 304 clicks, in my Save Club back office with people snooping around when I invite them to ilovesaveclub.com. 9 people pre-enrolled. Let's see, a couple days ago, 2, 4. It looks like early this morning, I already have 2 people. I'll probably have 1 or 2 people upgrade over the next hour, maybe early evening. Over the weekend, I'll get a handful, but you can see I've signed up about 8 people in the last 4 or 5 days. And thank you if you're one of those folks. I like to give you an email and tell you exactly what I do. I want you to be in my group. All right, I belong to a real big group, very successful. And we have 2 exclusive Facebook pages, and they're very valuable. There's going to be a bunch of pictures for you to use, banners for you to use, videos already done for you, where you can take these videos and just upload them to TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. They're already done. You just upload them. They promote Save Club, and then you come up with your own way to put some things included with that video. At the very bottom, if you like what you see, click here. Click here for more information about Save Club. Hey, do you want to save money on things you're already buying? Click my link. In my case, I use ilovesaveclub.com. I don't mind doing video like this. I have a good time just doing like 10-minute videos, taking my time. That way you can get to know me a little bit. Hopefully you know, you like, you trust me. I'm a big fan of Save Club. I've done already, I think, 100 or 200 videos about it in the last month. I'm not going anywhere because I've saved money with this darn thing just as a member. Now, I go to a couple car washes here in Salt Lake City. They're the ones where you pay like $20 unlimited. Well, there's 2 of them, one by my radio station here and one over where I got all my vehicles parked about 15 miles away. Well, I've saved about $17 with those 2 car washes. Okay? Now and then I eat and I drink. Well, I've been eating and drinking since the 60s when I popped out of mama. And I've saved a handful of bucks just with basic food that I've been randomly buying. And if I can save $5 by... Yeah, and I know Burger King's horrible. It's bad for you, but those Whoppers, I'm sorry. I like them. Big Macs are like this big. Whoppers are like that big. And that's why there's 14,000 calories per bite. I thought it was per Whopper, but actually I think it's about 75,000 calories per burger. But if you can save a handful of bucks on something you're already buying, why not? Now, I needed tires for one of my Hummers. 4 tires. I saved about $300-400 at Discount Tire, and I wanted to buy this mattress from Purple Mattress, and I saved about, I think, $200 or $300 on that, but it came to $700 and something just my first 2 or 3 weeks of being a member. So I spent $20 to save me $700 on things I needed to buy. I have to buy food. I have to. Even on a diet, after eating those stupid Whoppers, I still have to eat and drink. I needed the tires. Well, guess what? I now need 6 tires for a Chevy Crew Cab dually that I have. 6. And these tires are easily a couple $100 a piece. And times 6, $1,200. But then I go to Discount Tire. I use my little magic cell phone. Go to saveclub.com, look up Discount Tire. I go to the, I've been going to the same Discount Tire like 30 years. They all know me down there. I'm going to go ahead and save me a couple $100. Now, sure, I still have to buy those 6 tires no matter what, but to save, 10 of these? That's insane. I got to buy them no matter what. They're just a little baldish, and they're kind of cracked because the tires, I really don't drive my trucks enough to wear them out tread-wise, but when they sit too much, they kind of crack on the outside, which is kind of dangerous. I have to buy these 6 tires no matter what, but to save $200, I think I even got 200 here. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at that. Can you imagine saving that much just on something you have to buy no matter what anyway? And how do I earn money as an affiliate? 3 of these. And if I just want to be a member, there you go. $20 to save $700. $20 to save another $200 or $300. So about the first 30 days, I've saved well over $1,000. That's just as a member. Even if I was not an affiliate, as long as I pay that $20, it's actually $19.97, so I get 3 pennies back. Man, that's crazy to save that much money on things I'm already buying. Now, Save Club memberships, Groupon, things have been around a long time, but not like this. This is a worldwide endeavor with an affiliate kick. So you're going to be able to save on tons of deals. Asian areas, Malaysia, Japan, Philippines. Okay, then go down below. Let's see what's going on in Brazil, Australia. Of course, we're going to Canada, Mexico, below Utah, where I live. And we're going to go to the UK. And even South Africa is doing really well right now. I follow things every day, every week, kind of see what the gossip is. So we're under pre-launch right now. Today is May 23rd. It's Friday, so good Friday to you. Hopefully you have a good weekend. But you need to sign up now. All right. Do you have 320s? Because if you do, you can be an affiliate. And if you got one more, look at that. $80 minus a couple pennies. You've got a month membership and you are already an affiliate. And if you want to sign up for the year, just get an annual membership. You are then kicked up to VIP. And that's where you're going to earn even more commissions. Pretty exciting. And all you got to do is come up with a handful of these things. I want you to earn this so bad, you guys, and have confidence that you finally found something you can do. It's not embarrassing. This is not tacky, yucky, disgusting MLM where you got to inflate products. This is where you got $20. Let's see if we can save you 50 to 100 to $500. In my case, over 700. And then once I go and pick up these 6 tires, I'm in the $1,000 club. My first 30 days, I've saved $1,000. That's a lot. You want to see 1,000? I went and got it because I just wanted to show you guys. Right here, guys, that is $1,000. This much money I just put right in my pocket, and I don't save it. You know what I do? I go buy Hot Wheels and Kiss stuff and action figures to put on. But thank you, Save Club. Thank you for the guy that enrolled me, that got a hold of me and said, you should look at this dang thing. You're going to save money probably on things you're already buying, but if you got that $60, be an affiliate and just do fun videos about saving money. And if people want to go to ilovesaveclub.com, awesome. All right. And so far, it looks like I got 8 more people. As far as the leaderboard, things are going good. I think I'm still in the top 10. Yeah, you can see I'm tied for 7th place with Cedric. Very exciting. All right. So I love this. A lot of fun. I've only been doing online business like this for 2 years, and I'm extremely successful at this. I want you to please trust me. I want you to just join, and I'm going to send you an email. And if you'd like to follow along what I do, awesome. If not, if you have better techniques or ideas and you don't want to make videos about it, please let me know. I'm not shy. I'll do whatever it takes to help my group, my team, you be successful. If you make money, I make money. It's a no-brainer. And I want you to help your downline too. And the way that we have our generous pay plan, I can help your downline quite substantially. You sign up people, they sign up people, they sign up people, on and on. I can make money 5 levels deep. Very exciting. Okay, so anyway, let me end the video. God, 12 minutes. I can't believe how fast 10 minutes goes by. Let me just show you my business cards one more time. Okay, ilovesaveclub.com. The funnel system. The reason I've been so darn successful is about 6 days ago, I debuted a club funnel. And if you want to go to both these links, I want you to put your name, okay, your contact information in here, hit the orange button, watch this video too on the left. And then when you go to saveclubfunnels.com, put your email address in here. And I want you to go ahead and watch this 20-minute video because this explains Save Club like I've never seen. This is getting me signups left and right. And if you like it, go ahead and hit this website. It's $25. If you're not in Save Club yet, hit the red button first on the left, then hit this right button. Go ahead and watch this video here. You're going to get a little setup video from my buddy Mike, and then you're going to join our team. I want you in both our Facebook private invite only groups. I want you to have free. Sure, you got to join, but there's no extra. Okay, I'll phrase it that way. You're going to have pictures. You're going to have banners. You're going to have videos already done. You just upload them, and you just make sure your link to Save Club works. In my case, to promote myself, this is what I've been doing. I actually promote both. Okay, I'll end this within 15 minutes. Guys, thanks for your time, big time. You have a good Friday if you're watching me live. And you have my contact information. Get a hold of me on Facebook. I don't mind. Go ahead and inbox me. I love your questions. And then on top of that, Cory at CoryDraper.com. Email me anytime, okay? All right, peace and love, guys. You have a good weekend. I'll talk to you next video. See you soon. Bye.